subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new affordable smartphone under K series in India called Oppo K10. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo K10 features a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and it has a tall 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM with up to 5GB of dynamic RAM expansion support, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo K10 supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with stereo speakers for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.7 by 8.4mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo K10 has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 14,990 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,990 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 29th in black carbon and blue flame color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo K10 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.